Close your eyes for a moment and allow yourself to settle into a quiet, comfortable space. Take a slow, gentle breath in and softly let it go. Leave behind the noise of the day, the rush of thoughts, the weight of worries. Tonight, there is nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to do. Only this moment, only this calm journey. As the world grows quieter around you, allow your imagination to awaken gently. Picture yourself standing upon a peaceful hilltop where cool winds drift through the trees, golden light touches the earth, and the sky stretches endlessly above you. With every breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, calmer, more at peace. And now, let us slowly wander together into the stillness of the hilltop. There is a hilltop far away from the noise of crowded roads and hurried lives. A quiet place where the wind still remembers how to sing softly to the trees. A place where time does not rush, where the sky stretches endlessly above the earth, and every breath feels slower, lighter, gentler. Early in the morning, before the world fully wakes, the hilltop is wrapped in silver mist. Tiny droplets rest upon the grass like scattered pearls, glowing softly beneath the first touch of dawn. The air is cool, fresh, pure. And somewhere in the distance, a lonely bird begins its morning song. Its voice rises through the silence like a prayer carried by the wind. As the sun slowly appears above the horizon, golden light spills across the rolling hills. The trees awaken one by one. Leaves shimmer gently. Branches sway lazily in the morning breeze. And the earth itself seems to breathe. From the hilltop, the valleys below appear peaceful and endless. Small rivers curve through the land like silver ribbons. Tiny homes rest quietly among the trees. Soft smoke rises from distant chimneys. And far away, hidden behind layers of green forests, the mountains stand silently beneath the sky. There is no hurry here, no pressure, no heavy noise, only stillness, only calm. Only the gentle rhythm of nature moving exactly as it should. A narrow path winds slowly toward the edge of the hill. Wildflowers bloom beside it in quiet colors. Soft lavender, pale yellow, white petals dancing lightly in the wind. Butterflies drift lazily from one flower to flower, as though the morning itself is dreaming. The scent of earth and pine lingers in the air, clean, comforting, peaceful. Every step along the hilltop feels lighter than the last, as though the worries of the world slowly loosen their hold with every breath. The clouds move slowly overhead, large, and weightless, casting soft shadows upon the grass below. And somewhere nearby, hidden among the trees, a small stream flows gently over smooth stones. Its sound is delicate, steady, calming, like a quiet lullaby whispered by the earth itself. By midday, the hilltop glows warmly beneath the sun. The grass bends lazily in the wind. Dragonflies shimmer near the edges of the stream, and the sky above becomes a brilliant ocean of blue. From this quiet place, the world below feels distant, not forgotten, just softer, as though life itself becomes easier to understand from high above the noise. A wooden bench rests near the tallest tree on the hill, weathered gently by rain and sunlight, a place where travelers pause, where dreamers sit quietly with their thoughts, where tired hearts finally learn how to rest. If you sit there long enough, listen carefully, you begin to notice things most people miss. The whisper of leaves brushing against one another, the distant call of birds circling above the valley, the soft hum of insects hidden within the grass, the slow dance of sunlight moving across the hills. And in that quiet moment, something inside begins to settle. The mind grows calmer, the heart grows lighter, breathing becomes easier, gentler, slower. The hilltop asks for nothing. It does not rush you. It does not demand anything from you. It simply welcomes you into its stillness. As afternoon drifts quietly onward, the wind carries the scent of distant rain. The clouds gather slowly across the horizon, soft grey shadows moving silently over the mountains. And for a brief moment, the entire hilltop becomes wrapped in cool silence. Then the rain arrives. Not loudly, not violently, just a soft, peaceful rainfall. Tiny drops tapping gently upon leaves and stone. The earth sinks deeply. The flowers bow beneath the rain, and the air becomes rich with the comforting scent of wet soil and pine wood. There is something deeply peaceful about rain upon a hilltop. The world grows quieter, slower, softer, as though nature itself is resting. And after the rain passes, the clouds begin to part once more. Sunlight returns in golden streams. Drops of water sparkle upon every leaf, every blade of grass, every flower. The hilltop shines, fresh and renewed beneath the evening sky. As the day slowly fades, the colors of the world begins to change. Golden light deepens into amber, amber fades into rose, and soon the horizon glows with shades of orange, crimson, and soft violet. The evening breeze becomes cooler now, gentler. The birds return quietly to their nests. The trees stand peacefully beneath the fading light, and the first stars begin to appear overhead, one by one. Tiny lights scattered across the darkening sky. The hilltop at night feels almost magical. The valleys below flicker with distant lanterns and quiet homes. Crickets begin their evening song. The wind moves softly through the grass, and above it all, the moon rises slowly into the night, bright, silent, watching over the sleeping earth. There are places in the world that remind us how to breathe again, places that ask us to slow down, to listen, to rest. The hilltop is one of those places, a quiet refuge above the noise. A gentle reminder that peace still exists in this world, that silence can heal, that stillness can comfort, and that sometimes far away from the rush of life, the soul quietly finds its way home. So, for a moment longer, remain here. Feel the cool evening air upon your skin. Listen to the wind drifting softly through the trees. Watch the stars shimmer peacefully above the hills. And allow yourself to rest. Because somewhere beyond the noise of the world, the hilltop is waiting, quiet, peaceful, and